Hey YouTube, welcome to my Märklin HO M-Track vintage layout. I have this small little room to work in. I had a huge setup in here, it was way too complicated. I went simple. I got 2 loops, 2 trains. Little creek's gonna go in here, down from up in here. Waterfall, little pond, a secret little campsite. There's a creek across 2 bridges. Going to the tunnel down here. Pretty much all my works, my foam work is done. Now I'm going to go into carving and shaping. I've been experimenting with grades, and I found this poster board from the stationery store. Works really good. I just keep the spacing here even, and I get an even grade all the way up. Down here I'm on the plywood, and over there I'm an inch higher, which is great, so neither train needs to climb a lot to get over itself. In this section here where the crossing happens, down there is a little bit of a switching yard, and down into the corner will eventually be an extension. This whole contraption's built on a platform that I can spin around, which is awesome. Before it was all fixed. So this is excellent. Right in here where these come together, the power is actually split. It all gets its trains all get their power off this center rail here. But I'm running 2 systems. One is the old style, just off this transformer. It just runs the inside loop, which is the old train, the steam engine. It's such an old model that it doesn't have the digital control, so I run it on its own circuit. And then I got this diesel loco and some just random cars connected for testing right now. And that's running on a Delta system, which is awesome. So I have 2 more Delta locos, which will eventually run on the entire layout once it gets expanded. This whole thing's in my room backwards right now because I'm working on the backside first. Once I have this back end done, then I'll spin the whole table around, and where that cutout is in the corner, those 2 tracks that go nowhere right now will eventually lead to a bridge, which will lead to the next segment. That's a long way away though. I'll finish this one first. Right in here, there's going to be most likely a gravel pit or a mine of some kind. And yeah, so the water feature, the mine. Over here is going to be a little mini ski hill. And there's going to be a T-bar up in this area. That's got to all get graded still. A little loading area down here somewhere. And down along this side, up in here, we're going to have a snowcross track, kind of like that. So that's all I got right now. Any questions, please post them in the comments. I'll happily answer them. This is my first video with this old school train that I've owned for more than 20 years and I've been collecting for forever basically. So yeah, this is the first update, and the next video will be once there's some green and trees and stuff, hopefully. I do like to change my mind on a lot of stuff, so none of this is set in stone. Sorry about the crappy film quality. I'll have a few clips of it running as well here coming up. Awesome, thanks for watching.